Okay friends, here's day 2 of our Bellringer. Remember, this week I told you I was going to take it easy on you with our Bellringers. Since you're going to be working on iReady this week, you just have one division problem to do each day for this week's Bellringer. So let's go ahead and get started. If Jonathan paid $32.70 for 5 soccer balls, how much did he pay for each one? Okay, so $32.70, that is our dividend, and our divisor is 5. Now, remember that the steps for long division are divide, multiply, subtract, compare, bring down, and then repeat. Okay, let's get started. First question you want to ask yourself is, 5 times what will get me close to either 3 or 32? Since I know 3 is too small, 5 times nothing will get me to 3 without, I could multiply 5 times a fraction or a decimal, but we're talking whole numbers only. So 5 times 6 will get me to 30. So somebody was asking me, well, Miss Lynn, what do you mean when you say how many times does 5 go into 32? What I mean is, that's just for me, it's like a shorter way of saying 32 divided by 5 is what, or 5 times what is going to get me close to 32. Okay, so 6 times 5 is 30. I'm going to subtract. Now I have to compare. 2 is less than 5. Always have to compare your partial remainder with your divisor. Since this is smaller than my 5, I know I'm good to keep going. I'm going to bring down my 7. So now I need to know 27 divided by 5 equals blank. Or another way to say that would be 5 times what will get me close to 27. Okay, well, 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract. Another 2 for a partial remainder. Bring down the 0. Okay, 20 divided by 5 equals 4. 4 times 5 is 20. And I have no remainder. Okay, now what important step did I leave out? I forgot to bring my decimal point up, but since we're talking about amounts of money, it's not going to be hard for me to figure out where my decimal point needs to go. So $6.54 is what he spent per soccer ball. And that's it. That's your Bellringer for today, guys. Aren't you lucky? It was a 3 minute and 27 second investment of your day.